What's up guys, Everyday Tools here, back with another video. And today I'm going to be doing a quick tool cart tour. So on the top here, we have our drill bit set. It's a 100-piece drill bit set. Drill bits and some bits for the screwdrivers or drills you're using. And these are for, obviously, drilling holes. It also comes with some nut drivers. Up here, various sizes. So that locks up, and you can store stuff in here also. So here's my Sidewinder style Craftsman tape measure. Auto locking. Also has this on the bottom of it to be able to grab stuff. So it'll grab the edge of what you're working on so it doesn't slip. It's a pretty cool tape measure. You can get it at Sears for like $10 to $15. It's 25-foot one. Also has this writing surface on the back for writing down measurements. These various punches over here. It's a bunch of punches and just a bunch of various parts that I throw over there. Some extra drill bits. We have screwdriver rack up top with 4 Phillips and 4 flathead screwdrivers. Some of my planes are up there, along with that screw storage container up top. Over here we have a Craftsman LED light. It's pretty cool. It's magnetic, so it can go on any surface. Just put it up there for more light. So now let's get inside the drawers. First, we have our wrench organization here. So these are all my sockets. These are all standard sockets, and I have metric in another location. These are standard wrench set. Goes up from 1/4 inch to 3/4. A metric set, 6 millimeters to 14 millimeters, and also has room for more. Over on the side, we have ratchets and adjustable wrenches. So these are this is my better adjustable wrench, the Proto. Very smooth. This is my sort of cheaper one that I don't use as often. Kind of cheap made. And all my drawers are lined with the rubber lining to keep them protected. So these are a few extension bars, 1/2 inch and 3/4 of an inch. These snap on. Craftsman 3/8 inch drive ratchet. Kind of older style, still China made. My snap-on ratchet here. It's a teardrop kind of style. This is an older one, as you can tell by the logo. It's pretty much a collectible one. I don't really use it, it's just for show. But it goes either way. Obviously it still works, so that's good. Impact driver set, so I can use my impact driver with all my sockets. Little magnifying glass for seeing small parts. I don't use this very often, but it works, as you can see. This is a little wrench set from Craftsman. Shows you all the sizes. This is a pretty cool thing right here. This is joint sockets for every drive. So this is a 1/2 inch drive one right here. You can change angles. If you're going tight corners or anything, this will get you into any space. They're pretty good to have. A lot of this stuff I bought at Sears for good price, because they have good prices there, and pretty much liquidation sale and everything. This is my second drawer. So this has pliers, snips, clamps. I have all my drawers labeled. This is sockets and wrenches. So first let's go over clamps. I have various different C-clamps in here just for use in the garage. You can never have enough clamps. So whenever I need those, they're always handy. This is a cool little wrench. Craftsman. Goes over the bolt. So you can adjust any size from 20 millimeters to 12 millimeters. It also has 1/2 inch to 3/4 inch on this side. It's a pretty cool wrench. I don't use it that often, but it's a cool idea. Here's one of my utility chisels. I just use it to take gaskets off and random stuff. These are a bunch of files down here. Various sizes. Just for use around the garage. Not really special. A few clamps down here. These are all spring clamps. Some of these ratchet, but most of them are spring clamps. Little spring clamps. They work for little things around the garage. These are my countersink bits. I use these when I'm making small tables and benches and stuff. These are smaller pliers. You got your needle nose pliers. Smaller ones, you got wire snips. Those come in handy. This is a Stanley utility staple gun. So it uses crown staples. Just spring loaded, obviously. It's pretty cool. Hasn't seen much use, obviously, as you can see. Back here we have electrical tape. Can't get enough of that. And some attachments for my air compressor. Over here are my deep sockets. These are impact sockets. Impact grade for the impact gun. So my impact wrench on the air compressor. These all work. Goes up to 19 millimeters and 3/4 inch. So that's it for this drawer. Bottom drawer is my essentials, as I call it. This has pretty much everything. We got Allen keys right here, whole assortment of them. Those come in handy sometimes. It's a little stubby snap-on screwdriver. It's one of my chisels. I don't use this one very often. Bigger adjustable wrench for bigger jobs. A couple pairs of vice grips. You can never have enough of these. These come in handy a lot. These are Irwin ones. Standard size. One of these old Yankee screwdrivers. These are cool. Ratcheting screwdriver. I'm sure you guys have seen these before. Hole saw set. Small set. Just 4 of them. Got my chalk line. I use this when I cut wood. This is a bit extender for my cordless drill. I got hooks and picks right here. I use these when I'm working with the lawnmowers and weed whackers on the carbs. This is my sharpening stone set. I have a small one right here, and there's smaller oil stones in there. Over here we have utility knives and various pieces. This is my smaller soldering iron, just for the smaller jobs. I also have this wood burner. This heats up and puts designs in wood. That's pretty cool if you know how to use it. It's kind of hard to use. And also, I don't have it with me right now, but I also have a electric engraver. I use that a lot in my tools. So let's go down to the last row. So this is where I keep my power tools. So obviously there's a lot in here. So on the right we have Craftsman 13 amp circular saw. It has the laser guideline on it. I also keep some of my finer spray paint in here because this locks up and no one's going to touch it. So I have spray paint in here, various little parts, a ratcheting screwdriver, sanding discs for my belt sander, and you'll see the belt sander in the shop tour. That'll come out soon. Random, obviously, like little parts, random stuff in there. And I'm saying obviously a lot, but a lot of this is just what you see. Not much explaining necessary here. It's my Craftsman belt sander. I believe it's 6 amps, yeah, 6 amps. And it has the vacuum on it, so it picks up all the dust. Never have a problem with this. It's 3x18 belts. Pretty standard. I don't go in that drawer much, or cabinet much, but it has nice tools in it, like the circular saw comes in handy a lot. And obviously the belt sander comes in handy. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, make sure you watch my other videos I had on the channel. I had a few unboxings and reviews of some other tools. There's going to be more videos coming out soon. So keep it tuned here to Everyday Tools. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I'll give you the shop tour that'll be coming out in the next week. So stay tuned for that video. Any questions in the comments, any suggestions for the shop, any projects you want to see or anything, just leave that in the comments. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Out.